And now, another installment of Sandwiches of Canada. Hello, sandwich fans, Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad here. And today we're heading to Manitoba for the Honey Dill Chicken Finger Sandwich. For those not in the know, honey dill sauce, pictured here, is a chicken finger dipping sauce that was invented in Winnipeg, Manitoba. It also won Bill Oakley's 2020 Steamy Award for Condiment of the Year. The OG here is available all across the Canadian prairies as well as some parts of northern Ontario, but not in the Yukon, so we're going to have to make our own. First, let's get some bacon going. Chicken fingers in the air fryer. And then our honey dill sauce. 2 parts mayo to 1 part honey, and a bunch of fresh dill. There we have it. A little bit of dried dill, too, for some extra flavor. Toast up a bit of brioche in our butter. Now, for construction, I'm going to steal the method from a popular Canadian pizza chain named after an American city that you don't normally associate with pizza. First, the honey dill, followed by some lettuce, tomatoes with salt and pepper, chicken finger, more honey dill, bacon, and finally, a couple slices of pickle. Hat goes on. And what have we here? A honey dill chicken finger sandwich, fit for any Manitoban, or any Canadian for that matter, or anyone for that double matter. Normally I wouldn't do this for a round sandwich, but cut diagonally, which when it's round is just straight across, and there we have it. Honey dill chicken finger sandwich, straight out of Manitoba. And now, the all-important taste test. Holy smokes. TikTok, make this sandwich. This is one of the best chicken sandwiches I think you'll ever have. Could win the chicken sandwich wars. Go Manitoba. You try it, boy. This is a winner. Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad saying, good day.